Welcome, everyone. Before exploring Power Query, dashboards, or Microsoft Copilot, there's a crucial foundation we cannot ignore. Many Excel files may look polished at first glance, but hidden beneath the surface are data structures that are not ready for analysis. If you've ever struggled with pivot tables that won't work, data connections that break, or Copilot suggestions that don't make sense, the cause might be in stage 0, how your data is organized from the start. Common mistakes? Report titles scattered over data, totals mixed in rows, blank spaces separating sections, and multiple small tables squeezed onto a single sheet. These issues confuse Excel and make advanced analysis nearly impossible. Before we can master Power Query or build powerful dashboards, we must find and fix these mistakes. Let's identify the problems first, so every advanced tool works for you, not against you.
Take a close look at the HR_messy sheet. It's a typical attendance report from Cambodia Footwear Manufacturing Company, Limited for January 2026. Alongside employee records, you'll notice the company title, the monthly report title, and summary rows like total employee and AVG attendance appear all in the same worksheet. This practice, mixing summary details and raw employee data, is quite common in office reports. However, it causes problems for data analysis and consistency. Whenever summary rows or titles are placed with raw records, they can confuse formulas, create errors, and make it difficult to use tools like filters or pivot tables. Let's highlight the first mistake. Summary information is mixed with raw data. The report title isn't part of the actual employee records, so it should be kept separate. Any total rows or average calculations must also be placed outside the data block. If you want efficient reporting, every Excel table should consist only of field names and rows of data. Keeping raw records and summary information apart ensures clarity and helps your data analysts work faster and more accurately. So, next time you create an attendance report, avoid blending titles, summaries, and employee records into one sheet. Structure your data cleanly for easier analysis and better results. Imagine opening an Excel sales report split by region, tables scattered, subtotals mixed into raw numbers, and headers used as decoration. The Phnom Penh region stands alone, followed by Siem Reap region, each with separate summaries. At the bottom, a region total row tries to tie it all together. Red warning signs highlight hidden risks. Multiple tables, subtotals inside raw data, and region headers used as layout. Multiple tables mean you're always hunting for data. Subtotals inside raw figures can lead to inaccurate totals. Region headers block quick analysis and dashboard creation. What looks organized at first glance actually creates confusion and frustration when you try to run a report or build a pivot table. Now, picture transforming that scattered data into something streamlined. Every sale in one table, with region, customer, product, month, and sales columns. No subtotals or split sections, just clear, structured information. Instantly, green check marks signal success. One unified table is ready for quick filtering, seamless pivoting, dashboard creation, and Copilot insights. No messy manual fixes needed. This Microsoft-style approach unlocks clarity and efficiency. With a blue and green theme, it's not just easier to read, it's easier to act on. Move from frustration to confidence in your Excel sales reports. Break free from cluttered templates and embrace best practices that turn data into actionable results. Notice how the production_messy sheet is organized. Production data appears in separate blocks. First, line A is listed with planned quantity, actual quantity, and downtime. Then, below that, line B follows with its own set of numbers. Efficiency for line A is even shown as a separate summary field. At first glance, this block layout might look clear to us. Each section stands out, much like reading a printed report from the factory floor. Planned and actual numbers, downtime, and summary metrics are neatly grouped by line. However, this format creates problems for Excel analysis. Data for each production line is scattered across multiple rows and labels, making it hard for formulas, pivot tables, or charts to read and summarize the information automatically. Excel works best when each row holds a single, complete record, and column headers identify every data type, like line name, planned quantity, actual quantity, downtime, and efficiency. When you store data in a block layout, you end up with duplicate headings and empty cells, forcing you to analyze information by hand. This increases the risk of mistakes and slows down every report you need to generate. To make your production reports powerful and efficient, structure your sheet so that every row represents a single production record. Put the line name, planned quantity, actual quantity, downtime, and efficiency each in their own column. This way, Excel tools can instantly filter, analyze, and visualize your data accurately. Remember, one row should equal one production record. Turn line names into a column, and you'll transform the way you work with production data.